expressing opinions, likes and dislikes, conversation, getting acquainted.
Lauren, hi, you must be Sarah. I can tell from your picture. I'm Lauren. Finally, we meet. So we're going to be roomies this semester.
Sarah. Yes, I recognize you from your photo too. I'm so glad to meet you. In person. And I see from your t-shirt that you like baseball. I'm a big fan too.
Lauren, well, the t-shirt was a going-away present from my brother, who's a baseball player. Look on the back. It has a photo of all the players. On his team. They actually won the city championship this summer.
Sarah, that's awesome. I tell you I'm not very athletic, but I love to watch baseball, even if it's a little league game. You could say I'm a professional spectator. What about you? Do you play a sport?
Lauren, yes, I play tennis. As a matter of fact, I have a scholarship and I'm going to play for the university. Now tell me, what else do you like to do?
Sarah, well, what I like to do best is dance. I'm studying classical ballet, but I also like to dance to popular music.
Lauren, cool. We have a lot in common. I like to dance too. Think you'll be up for checking out the local clubs this weekend?
Sarah, oh yeah. And the restaurants too. Speaking of which, are you hungry? I'd love to grab a bite before it gets too late. I'm starving.
Lauren, are you kidding me? I'm always up for going out. How about trying the place up the street? I'm kind of hungry for a good hamburger. Later.
Sarah. Lauren, what do you think of our room?
Lauren, to be honest with you, I really can't stand that dark color on the walls. It's like really depressing. I prefer light colors. Plus, I'd like to change the rug and the bedspreads. Do you like them?
Sarah, no, I agree with you. They're horrible. With a couple of coats of paint and a few small changes, we'll make this room comfortable and cozy. Everybody will want to hang out here.
Lauren, man, I'm so relieved. I think we're really going to get along. I'm going to call my mom right now and tell her how cool my new roomie is.